Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the time and date on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. Now, if you're looking to update this time and the date on the phone, first thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone. Now, once in your main setting here, we're going to scroll down to General. Now, from General here, we're going to go down a little bit further where you have date and time. So you're going to tap on that. And by default, your phone automatically sets the date and time based on your zone and whatever network you're connected to. However, if you like to change that, you can turn off the set automatically, and then we can change the date if we like. So we can change it to whatever date we want here. Additionally, we can also change the time here by doing the scroll up and down, time, minutes, and then PM or AM. Keep in mind, when you do change this, right, you can also change a time zone. So if you're in the wrong time zone, let's say I'm in the wrong time zone, I can pick one, or then maybe a different time zone that I'm in. So I'm going to pick my time zone. And now, as you can see here, the date and the time can be updated based on the time zone as well. Or you can manually also change it. But it's very important that you want to keep this time to be the current time, because certain service will stop working on your iPhone if the time and the date is not correct. So make sure it's set correctly if you're manually setting them. But ideally, you want to set them automatically, as that way there is no issues you may experience. But if you do decide to update them manually, you can do it as well. So I'm going to keep it automatically, just go back, but you're going to change it accordingly to your liking, and that's how you would do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.